Hey, my name is Brent Denston, and I'm with the Dimension 3D Printing Group. I'm speaking today with Rick Meacham with RLM Industries, and RLM is a investment casting facility, and investment casters have traditionally used wax or like a lost wax process. Tell me how you use ABS models from the Dimension printer for investment casting.
Well, basically it's the same process with the exception of a lost wax. It now turns into a lost plastic. And working with 3D Dimension, we're able to use a sparse type of wax, or excuse me, a sparse type of plastic that's friendly to our process, and we convert the plastic into steel in 5 to 7 days.
Excellent, excellent. Now, traditionally, in prototyping, people have used ABS plastic for concept models and maybe to check things out. And now with your capability, they could actually get a metal part right from the ABS plastic. How do those work for you in your process? What kind of challenges are there for you?
Well, the biggest challenge was to get rid of to remove the plastic from the shell. Once we mastered that, and we have a confidential process that removes that, like I said earlier, it's become very friendly. We cannot use solid wax. It has to be the hollow wax. And what it did to the marketplace or to the foundry is it made us more valuable to companies that makes the ABS type of plastics.
Excellent, excellent. I know not everybody can do this. There's a lot of foundries that kind of stay away from ABS because there's a little bit more of a work. Now, you mentioned a confidential process. How long did it take you to figure that out? And can anybody just send you an ABS model and get investment cast parts made?
It took us about 6 months of learning to do that. And when I came to the show here, I thought that RLM was the only one, but I did learn that there's another one out there. And it was fascinating to talk with them because they went through the same learning curve that we did. Anybody can send it to us. They start out with a STL, they send it to us, we evaluate it, send them back a quote with any exceptions to it. They make the pattern, send them to us. 5 to 7 days later, it's a casting.
Great, great. So anybody that owns a Dimension 3D printer that models in ABS plastic can now actually get metal parts as well, just by owning the Dimension printer.
Exactly.
Great, great. Rick, I appreciate you meeting with us today. You guys have a fantastic facility that I've actually visited out in Michigan, and I appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today and provide all Dimension customers with an ability to get a metal part. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.